Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved used 2024 model Volkswagen Polo R line that does come complemented in the metallic Reef Blue paintwork. It does house your 1 litre TSI engine, efficient auto transmission and does produce 115 PS, making it an ideal first car or nippy city upgrade. With top features including your LED headlights, stylish alloy wheels and for added protection, power folding wing mirrors. The boot offers plenty of space for your daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round, with your fitted ISOFIX points and access to your central power outlets. Stepping into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further style and convenience, with access to your central touch display and that modernised edge with your embroidered front cloth seats. You do also have seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit display, with all of your vital driving data, navigation and the added protection of your adaptive cruise control. This will keep you a safe distance from surrounding traffic. And moving across, you do have access to your variation of radio stations to keep you endlessly entertained, alongside your app connect and again your navigation system to help you in those unfamiliar areas. Of course, you do have your on-screen vehicle information and the activation of your front and rear parking sensors, guiding you into those awkward manoeuvres, reducing the chance of any minor bumps. And for a desired temperature, you do also have your on-screen dual climate controls, with your main touch buttons located just below, with the added bonus of your 2 front heated seats for the winter. Just below this, you do have your various power outlets, followed by your cup holders and small storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.